Hello, this is Owen from BinaryOptionsReview.com, and today I want to show you the binary options trading with BeeOptions broker. Now, if you look here at the actual panel that we're looking at, you'll see that we have a lot of different currencies and currency pairs that we can trade in, and at the bottom of each of these will show the trader's choice. Now in this, I'm looking at the dollar versus the Japanese yen, and I'm really excited about this one because it looks like it's going to be a very good potential payout here. The trader's choice is saying that we have a very good percentage chance of it going up. We'll see here we're almost at the level of support, and so really we can't go too far wrong. So what I'm going to do with this is we're going to go through and we're going to put in a real good amount of money, and we're going to put it in towards the call area. In other words, will it go up? And then I will apply, and you'll see here it calculates what my payout will be and everything like that, and I'll approve it. And now we've entered the position, and so you'll see it'll expire here in just about 10 minutes. I'm not going to bore you with the whole, up and down cyclic maneuvering of this, but we're also going to look at a couple others here as well. And you'll see that this one is about a 53% chance it's going to go down, 47 it's going to go up, and we're in the middle of the actual cycle, so I'm not going to go into something like that. And this one's looking a little bit better graphically, as you'll see that we're all of a sudden making a pretty good jump up. But again, it's one of those things where there's a little bit more weight towards the really towards the put option at this point. So we'll put we'll put 450 in and go to a put on that one, and then that way we'll go through and we'll do the approve again. I'll show you just how quickly it is really to go through and be able to make money with this system. So that's pretty much it at the moment. If you'll notice, now with the investments put in, I'm at 10,889. So that represents the 1,200 and the 450 that we put in. And so you'll see here it shows me my positions and where I'm at with them, and shows me my estimated profits in real time. And so now I'm going to fast forward this to when we actually are ready to have these options expire, and we'll go from there. We'll talk to you in a bit. Now, something as a side note that I'm going to go through and show you how to do is to be able to protect your assets. If I really feel at this point that anything is swung around before this expiration happens right here, I can go through and I could actually put let's say 900. I could double my amount, 900, in the opposite direction, say as to a call, and then at that point I would be able to cover my loss on that. Or you could sell ahead of time, and you could actually then see your profit or cut your loss right away. But keep in mind with the options that really the only thing you stand to lose is the amount that you have here as your initial investment. After that, it's nothing but pure profit. And as you can see here, we're actually coming into the money on both of them. It looks like, yep, exactly right. So now we're in the money, and we're almost going to be profiting out almost 3 grand here in just that quick. So I'm going to let this all go through and run its natural course, but that's where we're at with it, and I just wanted to make a quick mention of that and show you that you do have these options. So I could actually sell this out now, and I could apply, and then there we go. And I could realize that profit ahead of time. And as you'll see, now my profit has come into our total assets, and now we're waiting on one extra here. I don't have any option to sell at this point. I'm locked in until the end on this one. But as you'll see, we're actually plenty in the money, and things are going well. So I'll check back with you in just a few more minutes. Okay, so we're back, and we're now at the final bit of countdown. This is going to expire in about 45 seconds, and you'll see the real-time graph here shows that it's been on an upward trend for the whole time. We're looking very good on this. I don't have any fears of this being an issue whatsoever, and it actually stands to make a lot of money. And I guess the bottom line is this, is that when you look at the end of the day, how much time you actually have to spend in front of a computer to be able to actually make the kind of return that we're talking about here, I think you'll agree that this is definitely a moneymaker, and you have no fears whatsoever. You'll see we're at 11,282.41, and that's prior to the expiration of the stock, or actually of the pair. Now that's expired. We ended up successfully with that, and you'll see it'll update, and now we're at 13,442.41. So there it is, folks. That's how you make money with the BeeOptions binary options trading platform, and I would highly recommend you check them out. Thanks so much for watching.